everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to fold an Origami Owl. And this model is a difficult model. And you're going to start with a square piece of origami paper. And you're going to start with colored side up. You're going to fold your model in half, bringing a corner to the opposite corner. And unfold, rotate and do the same. Okay, and then unfold. Now the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to turn your model. You're going to fold it in half, bringing one edge to the opposite edge. And try to align the edges as much as possible. Unfold, rotate, and repeat. Just like that. So the next thing that you're going to do is open it up and bring the top and side corners down to the bottom corner. Just like that. Just like that. Okay. Now, once you have that done, you're going to fold the side edges into the center. Just like that. Okay. And unfold. And the next thing you're going to do, you're going to fold them back and then take this top corner and fold it down. And then open it up. Then unfold and take this top layer, fold it up, and fold the sides in, just like that. There we go, just like that. Okay, so now I'm going to turn your model over and fold the sides into the center. Like that, and then fold the top corner down, then unfold, then open it up and fold the top corner up and fold the sides in. Just like that. Okay, so now you have that done. And the next thing that you're going to do is fold this down. And you'll have something that looks like that. And then fold the back down. Like that. Okay. So now the next thing that you're going to do is you are going to fold these side edges into the center. Just like this. Okay. Then do the same thing on this side. And then turn your paper over and repeat. Just like that. There we go. Okay. And okay, now that you have that done, you're going to open this up. Take this. You're going to fold it out like that, forming one of the wings. And you're going to do the same thing over here. Open it up and fold out one of the wings, just like that. Okay, now you have the two wings. Okay, just like that. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold this top corner down, just like that. Then you're going to fold this top edge down, and it may start coming unfolded a little bit, so just try to press it down as much as you can. And then next, what you're going to do you're going to need a pair of scissors, and you're going to cut the bottom corner just like that. And when you do, you only want to cut these top layer. Then I'm going to fold the two sections outwards to form feet, just like that. And your owl is finished. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other awesome origami videos. And always remember, go to paperfoldingfun.com to get PDFs or instructions for any of the models that you see here. So have a good day, and remember to keep folding. Bye.